If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad.
Mega love shout out!
Ambulance.
Look, my daughter's playing a game. Okay. Christmas.
If you were to meet Santa, what is one question you would ask him?
Merry Christmas, everybody. Hey! Look at...
Ayaw niyong kumain? Kakain na ako.
Hi, Arjan.
Hi, Ma.
What's your tree? That's what I meant. Yourself under the Christmas tree. Under. Ah, Kelvin!
You're
Kelvin
not
again.
under!
No, he loves this. That tree. Oh my god. Under. Okay, like Kelvin, give me another one. Under the tree. Under the tree. That's not your Christmas tree. Kelvin. Kelvin. Oh. Kelvin.
Oh, he's under the tree. He's literally under the tree.
What is that? What is that? What is going on?
He's under the tree.
Kuya, it's under. I will give you points for effort. Alright, Kelvin, you got that one. Kelvin, that's Kelvin. But Diamante family effort. I appreciate the effort there. Kelvin gets 2. I'm sorry, he was the fastest one. Everyone, recuperate. Come back, everybody. Kelvin's giving me 4 photos of himself now. Okay, Kelvin. Between Subway or Shoppers? Subway or Shoppers?
Shoppers. Shoppers called in. Shoppers.
Okay,
You
let's
can buy if you have a girlfriend, you
You
can
can
buy.
buy condoms. You can buy condoms.
Okay.
Safe sex, everyone.
Alright.
Oh, I want some. I'm gonna make some leche plan.
It takes a while.
A calendar. Calendar. You guys have a calendar? A calendar! Quick! Oh, but
Kelvin.
I don't know who got that for me first.
All got it at the same time. Oh, everybody got points then.
Okay, everybody gets 1 point. Whoever's showing the calendar right now, you get a point. Give one to everyone. Where we at right now? Diamond? Okay, come here. Okay, Diamante family, you have 5. Atentos, you have 2. Kelvin, 2. Valdez, 1. Alright. Okay. To 6, okay? We're almost there. Next thing. I want you guys to get me the star on your tree! The star on your tree! Run, run, run! Alright, Calvin, you got it! Calvin, that's Calvin. That's Calvin. Calvin got that one. Calvin.
What doesn't count?
You gave me the stocking thing. I know the stocking thing. Clever, clever. Alright. Next one.
Wow.
I'm sorry.
nice.
It's really pretty, but that's not. I'm sorry. Next one. Yeah, we're not yet. No one's a winner yet. No one's to 6 yet. Oh.
Oh.
Hello.
You can unmute yourself.
You gotta unmute yourself if you want. Okay, next thing to get, please and thank you. Anything with Santa's face on it. Santa's face! Atentos! Atentos got that one! Yeah!
That's Lolo. That's Lolo's face.
Atentos got it! Atentos got it. Okay, where we're at? No one's a winner yet. Alright, next one. Someone please get for me a Christmas sock. A sock. Christmas socks. Oh. Not the stocking, not a sock. Stockings do not count. I need a Christmas sock. Christmas sock. Christmas sock. Not a stocking. A sock. No one. Run and get a sock. A Christmas sock. Come on. No one has anything with like snowman.
That's Auntie Judy. The Judy is going upstairs.
Not a stocking.
No, that's stockings.
No stocking.
No, that's slippers.
That's a sock.
No, that's stockings. No, it's not counted.
They look like
I think Kelvin is good.
those look Christmassy to me.
It doesn't look like Christmas, Kelvin.
Yes.
I can't honestly tell. I'm gonna just scrap this one because no one really had it. So I was expecting something with like Santa on it or like a snowflake on it or like.
Who has the Santa Claus
Hey,
socks?
maybe someone has Santa Claus socks. That's why I was asking. Okay.
Why don't you ask the Santa Claus underwear?
If no one has Santa Claus socks, who's gonna have Santa Claus underwear? Okay, next one then.
No winner yet.
Not a winner yet. We're so close though. Please get for me a green ornament.
Yung tower.
Is that okay? The
Let's
Judy,
go!
yay!
We win!
All right, you win.
The
Tita
Judy wins!
Woo, woo, woo. It's not green.
That's Calvin's face.
Alright, Tita Judy, you win. Everybody. Oh, you guys have one too. How cute.
I have one too.
Yay, clapping to Judy. Woo, 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 woo. Alright. Here are the prizes left over. We have 2 more games after this. Tita Judy, which one would you like? We got Shoppers, Esso, and Subway. Esso gift card, Shoppers Drug Mart gift card, or Subway gift card. Esso. Here, this one, Tita Judy. There we go. All right. I love this game, so fun. All right, next one we are going to play is
Daughter, you look like you have makeup.
I know, but I do. A photo hunt. So for this game, kind of similar to scavenger hunt game.
Hey!
Yeah, look at me.
Say hi.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
This is my boyfriend. Say hello, boyfriend.
Is that your boyfriend?
This is my boyfriend. Say hello.
Hi, I'm a
Hey,
boyfriend.
your ex.
She's my ex because
What?
she's my wife now.
My wife now.
Say
Say
that.
maligayang Pasko. Maligaya.
Hello, you guys.
Yeah. Say maligaya Pasko.
Maligaya Pasko.
Pasko, Pasko.
Say maligaya.
Maligaya Pasko.
Maligayang.
Young.
Oh, say it again. Say it.
Because I'm the only.
Yeah, sorry. I got this first. Sorry.
Go, it's in the fridge. Go get it in the fridge.
So this game,
You can do it.
this one is a photo scavenger hunt. For this game, you guys need to take your phones and take a picture of something for me and bring it to me and show it. Again, everyone here? Yeah? So for this game, I would like you to take a picture and then show me the picture of what I am going to say. Okay? Come up first one, we'll do up to 6 again. First one to 6 is the winner. First family to 6. Alrighty.
Can you say that again?
So it's like a scavenger hunt game, except this time I want you to go get something and take a picture of it and then bring me the photo.
Oh, you have to take a picture?
And take a picture.
But
And you have to show me on your phone, okay?
the sashimi, there's ice underneath. If you want to, can you drop it, please?
Everybody again, everybody ready, everybody heard the rules.
Yeah.
Give me a
Water,
thumb.
you can make the whole.
Give me a thumb. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah.
Is it watery?
The first one. Alright, go and get me a picture of
Peanut.
a picture of yourself. Hello, sorry.
Washroom.
No. Please give me a picture of yourself in
Taking a shit.
the snow. Yourself in the snow. Take a picture of yourself in the snow. First one to come back to me wins this round. Yourself in the snow.
You're gonna go out.
Take a picture.
You don't have a
Show
snow
it
in
to
Toronto.
me.
You don't have snow.
there could be something there. Alright, Kelvin! Kelvin wins! Good job, Kelvin!
Jeez, Calvin. Calvin.
Good job, Kelvin!
Hey, come to go with this.
I like it. Okay, Kelvin, 1 point. Right down? Okay. Please. Kelvin won that one. Sorry, Kelvin won that one. Please take a picture of yourself